All right, today I'm going to talk to you about how to add a printer to your computer via an IP address. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is make sure that we know the IP address of the printer that we're trying to connect to. So there are a few ways to find that. One of the ways would be to get into the printer's menu or setup button and kind of navigate through until you find the IP address. One of the ways that I've found it that's not necessarily like stated on the screen is to print the configuration pages, and then it will be listed on there. So that might be helpful. So you want to locate that IP address. It'll most likely start with 10 dot and then a handful of numbers. So you're going to want to find that first. All right, after that, you're going to push on your start menu so that you can connect devices and printers. Then we're going to be adding a printer, and we are looking for it to be a wireless printer with the IP address that we're using. I'm going to click on there, and we're going to say that the printer isn't listed. So instead of waiting to see if we can find it, we're just going to help locate it. And then here again, we are looking to add that IP address, so making sure that that choice is clicked. And this is where we're going to add it. I have an IP address of a printer that I want to connect to, so I'm going to put it in here. Again, this is the IP address that you located in the printer's menu itself at the beginning. And then we can click Next. It's most likely going to find the driver that you need for that printer itself. So we're going to run with that recommended option, the driver for that printer. And then this is where you can name it something that's useful to you. So this is one of the printers in the library. And as a shared printer is just fine. Setting it as a default is your choice. And then printing a test page is never a bad idea. So you can see if you are connected wirelessly. And then you can finish. So then we can go ahead and finish. And we can see that our new printer should be added, and mine is the default there. All right, that is how you're going to add a printer by an IP address.